What's going on, YouTube Gardener? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. This is going to be a short video. What we're doing is I'm going to take one of our beds, 4x4 beds, and harvest all of the vegetables that's in that plant, so that way we can move that bed. We are later going to be donating that 4x4 raised bed to my godson, and I'm going to show him how to plant seeds, how to start seeds, and also how to transplant seeds as well. But we definitely need to move this bed out the way, so that way when we put our new raised beds in there, it will be clear and out the way. So let's get growing. All right, this is the raised bed that we're going to harvest. We got a bunch of green onions right here. This was supposed to be Brussels sprouts, but it never did do anything. We have red Russian kale, and we had some dinosaur kale. That one went to flower. The other one stayed the same. We had some carrots right at the end that we harvested last night, and then back there we have garlic that I'm gonna have to pull up. I think I could transplant them without any issues, so I might try that, but we'll see how that goes. So let's get going. A lot of the green onions around this area didn't do too well because we had this brassica overshadowing them. So that's one of the bad things about planting some stuff without going through the protocol. But other than that, it would have probably thrived very well. Alright, that's all the green onions. Now, I have to do the kale. These are the red Russian kale. Put that in the compost. I don't like the way that leaves look. We got a lot of this white oak that's been shedding from above the tree. But all of this, I don't see any bug problems or issues. Nice sturdy stem. Harvest that. Same for here, just one little flower. put in the compost bin. That looks pretty good. Make some soup or something. Then we got our lettuce. This is our romaine lettuce that we've been growing. Looks like there's no issues. I don't see any bugs or aphids problems. It's been real humid and rainy here lately, so gotta look out for that. You'll get a lot of aphids around that time when it gets a lot of humid in there. But since these are pretty much healthy, I don't have to worry about that. Now, when you're cutting lettuce, they'll have this milky substance on here, and it's just a defensive mechanism that they do. You don't have to worry about it. And when you're harvesting lettuce, if you want to do a cut and come along again, what you want to do is always do the most outer leaf. That way it can keep on photosynthesis and continue to grow. All right. This one is a cabbage. Didn't do too well. I'm just gonna leave it in the bed, let it compost and feed the soil for the new bed that we're gonna have over here. But once again, if you want to harvest these, make it last instead of eating the whole head, all you have to do is just do the outermost leaves. This didn't do too well because it was overshadowed by the Brussels sprouts. And I'm gonna go over to that side. All right, this was the dinosaur kale. This one got probably too hot, and so it went to seed. Its flower went to seed. So some of these pods flower that after it have been spent flowers. We're gonna try to save these. Hopefully it works. If not, oh well. Seeds aren't that expensive when you're buying them from Luke from the MI Gardener. But it supposedly change the taste once they go to flower. So this one was the only one that did not go to flower, and we were harvesting throughout the season, or recently I should say. And this has been one of my favorite kales now, next to the dwarf curly kale. Got some of the white oak or oak tree in here. This has been one of my favorite kales because it's nice and hardy, and especially after the cold frost, it becomes even a little bit sweeter and crisper on there. So I like these. And now we will go and check out the garlic. don't want to pull it up, but it has to come up. Not bad. Wish I could have kept it in there longer. So what I would do on this one, we got like a little centipede here. So what I would do on this is I'm going to leave this out along with the onions to dry. These aren't going to be as, oh, we got some mushrooms. Yeah, I kind of figured these wouldn't be as big. We got a lot of green onions. Oh, yeah, green onions. Green onions. So that is that. So now we can, me and Mrs. Naked Gardener can continue on with our gardening and build our next bed, key-shaped bed right here. Now, we're not always on YouTube, so check us out on our Instagram page, and also you can follow us on our Twitter account. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. And as always, let's grow together.